Hey, how's it going YouTube? My name is Damit. If any of you guys new to this channel, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this. This is my BOSE QC15 headphones and it's about 6 years old. This has been one of the best headphones I owned. Every couple of years I replaced ear pads and ear cups, and last year I made a custom audio cable for this headphone. However, few days ago, left speaker stopped working. Then I checked the wire for connection issues. It checked out fine. However, speaker start working every time tap the left side of the headphone. The only permanent fix I found is to change the speaker. So without further ado, let's change the speaker. First I remove the headphone cable and the battery from the headphone. Then I remove the ear cup, ear pads very carefully. However, if you rip any one of these during this step, you can buy the replacements from eBay or Amazon. I will leave a link down in the description. Next I remove all 4 screws that holding the back cover. So here we have the defective speaker, a knob switch and the main controller board for the headphone. I got these replacement headphone speakers from Amazon for 20 bucks. These are 32 ohm 20 milliwatt speakers, which is OEM spec for this headphone. Next I desoldered positive and negative wires from the speaker. However, the speaker is glued into the headphones, so you had to use a hairdryer or heat gun in order to loosen the speaker. So I set my hot air station to 100 Celsius and worked my way around the speaker. Next I remove all the old glue and replace it with some shoe glue. When it dries up, kind of stretchy and rubbery.
I
Next I installed the new speaker and soldered back positive and negative wires. On a side note, this is one of the best time for you to test out your work before you put back all the covers and ear pads. Finally, I installed back everything I removed and tested it. And the testing went fine. I cannot hear any difference in sound, and once again it works like brand new. So this is it for this video. All the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Like always, share, subscribe, comment down below. I will see you next time.